A local plastic surgeon tells us a lot of his patients say they wish they could just shrink wrap their face for a more youthful look. Now he's offering something just like that. A local woman says she paid $20,000 less than she would have for plastic surgery, and it worked. Even men are jumping at this opportunity, and doctors say it works on every complexion from the lightest to the darkest skin.
Hi.
Michelle St. John is almost 58 years old, but most people can't believe her age. She recently went for a younger look with new technology called Ulthera.
I was more concerned about lines in my neck. I had no idea I had this turkey neck. What's interesting, I was really shocked when I saw this picture because you don't really ever see yourself in profile.
And as you can see, this is what caught her eye, but the cheek has also dropped a little bit. Her eyebrows have dropped a little bit with age as well, and it's kind of just gave her a little bit of a more of a tired look she felt. And as you can see now, really there's an impressive improvement in terms of the contour and the profile of her neck. It's gotten better, her cheeks have elevated, her eyes are certainly more open. You comfortable?
Michelle's relieved with the difference because she feels it's important to look more youthful for her job.
Being in medical sales, and most of my compatriots out there are younger than I am in this business. I always joke around being the oldest medical rep out there.
Michelle got this result with the help of Dr. Yalamanchili. He's a plastic surgeon who concentrates only on the face. He was the first in Houston to offer this device using ultrasound to help lift and tighten the skin.
It's a first of its kind, and it really is something that allows us to address a factor of aging that we've not been able to do before, which is the effects of gravity. As our skin and the deep structures of our face start to sag with gravity, we need to lift them back up, and historically the only way to do that has been with surgery.
The ideal patient is between 30 to 60 years old and isn't quite ready for surgery. Look at the difference between Michelle's chin before the procedure and now afterwards.
You know, I was really surprised and thrilled when I saw the before and after. And after I had this procedure, I started hearing people say, "Oh, you look great again," or people would quit saying, I used to hear, "Oh, you look so tired." And then all of a sudden, since this procedure, I haven't heard, "Oh, you look so tired" as much.
And the idea is
Ulthera is an ultrasound wand, similar to what's been used for pregnant women the past 50 years, but it's never been used this way before.
The first aspect of it is you're just using it to visualize the structures that we're treating, which as a surgeon was very appealing to me, to be able to actually see what I'm treating. We're not just waving a magic wand and hoping it works. I can be very precise as to where I'm delivering the energy. And that's the second part of what we're doing. We're actually able to deliver this energy using those same sound waves.
This wand also delivers heat to penetrate deep structures below the skin to tighten the muscles. Before, the only way to do this was to cut the skin.
So you're delivering lots of little spots of heat like that over a large area, and every little spot you get a little bit of a contraction. So when you add it up over the course of the face, everything almost shrink wraps, it tightens. And that's what gives you that tightening effect.
Studies show this ramps up the production of new collagen to tone and tighten the skin.
And by doing that, we're able to tighten up those structures, firm up and tone up the skin, which allows you to get a nice little lifting effect of the neck, the cheeks, the brow, all in the office in about 30 to 60 minutes.
Dr. Yalamanchili says this does not replace surgery, and fair warning, it doesn't feel like a facial or just a typical ultrasound.
It hurts for a second.
Yeah.
And then once he takes it off, there's no pain at all.
Right.
It's not residual pain either. It just boom. And it's kind of like getting Botox, if anyone's had Botox. You know, it hurts for a second and then it's over.
It can be done on a lunch break with no downtime and no effects to the face that anything has been done.
It is possible to really do some incredible things without any recovery or downtime.
And the full results appear in 3 to 4 months. Dr. Yalamanchili says most patients will only need one initial treatment. The results last about 3 years, so a follow-up may be needed. It costs between $1,000 to $3,500, depending on how many facial areas are treated. Now, a facelift can now cost up to $25,000. Ulthera is the only FDA-approved ultrasound for aesthetic improvement. While most people associate facelifts with women of a certain age, though, that's not always the case. Psychotherapist Mary Jo Rapini joins me next to delve into why people in their 20s are choosing to go under the knife, including repeat offender actress Heidi Montag.
And I must say, you have changed since I saw you last.
Thank you.